Hi everyone, thanks for watching what I've read today video. I'm Ketty, I work for KADOKAWA Corporation and I'm in charge of international licensing. The book I'd like to recommend today is a cookbook. The title is Oatmeal Mug Recipe. Oatmeal can be used to make that menu. And all you have to do is put the ingredients in a mug and put it in the microwave. Many new recipes as well as popular menus that have been talked about many times. We know oatmeal is good for health and weight loss, but if it doesn't taste good, it won't last, right? With just one mug, we'll take that oatmeal lying around in your kitchen and turn it into an exquisite recipe in no time. If you have any query or an offer, please feel free to contact us. You can also check our website to find more titles. The URL is https://www.kadokawa.co.jp/. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.